This course aims to develop a structured understanding of cybersecurity risks in banking and the controls required to mitigate them. Participants will learn how cyber threats such as phishing, ransomware, malware, data breaches, and insider attacks impact banking systems, digital channels, and customer trust. The course focuses on cyber risk frameworks, IT control environments, access governance, network security, and incident response mechanisms. It also covers RBI cybersecurity guidelines, regulatory expectations, and emerging risks in digital banking. Learners will build the ability to identify vulnerabilities, evaluate control effectiveness, and strengthen cyber resilience within the overall governance, risk management, and compliance framework of banks.